Many people believe memory loss is simply a part of getting older. But what if the real issue isn't age itself, but something happening quietly in the brain every single night while you sleep? If you're over 40, 50, or even 60, there is something important you need to understand about how the brain repairs itself and why the foods you eat before the day ends may influence that process. More than most people realize, stay with me because this next part is critical. Your brain is not inactive during sleep. In fact, during the night, it becomes incredibly active in a very specific way. While your body rests, the brain begins a deep repair process. It clears waste, strengthens connections between neurons, and helps stabilize memories formed during the day. This is one of the most remarkable biological systems in the human body, yet many people unknowingly interfere with it through everyday habits. One of the biggest misconceptions is that memory problems begin suddenly. In reality, changes in memory usually develop slowly over time. The brain's ability to repair itself, protect neurons, and maintain healthy connections can gradually decline when the body is under stress, when sleep quality drops, or when nutrition does not support the brain's nightly restoration cycle. Many people watching this may have noticed small changes. Forgetting where you placed something, walking into a room and wondering why you went there, struggling to recall names that used to come easily. These moments can feel frustrating, sometimes even concerning. But what most people don't realize is that the brain still has an incredible capacity to repair and adapt, especially when we give it the right support. And that support often begins with something surprisingly simple: what we eat. Certain foods contain compounds that interact directly with the brain's protective systems. These nutrients support communication between brain cells, reduce inflammation that can interfere with memory, and help the brain perform its nightly repair work more efficiently while you sleep. Let's talk about the first food that many brain health experts often highlight: blueberries. Now, this may sound simple, but blueberries contain powerful natural compounds called polyphenols. These compounds help protect neurons from oxidative stress, a process that can gradually affect brain cells as we age. When oxidative stress builds up, it can interfere with how brain cells communicate with each other. But here's something many people miss. During sleep, the brain strengthens connections formed during the day. If neurons are healthier and better protected, those connections become more stable. In simple terms, the brain is better able to store and recall information later. This is why people who regularly include antioxidant-rich foods often report feeling mentally clearer over time. Now you might be wondering, can something as simple as fruit really make a difference? When we look at the brain as a system that is constantly repairing, protecting, and communicating, small daily inputs can have a meaningful impact. It's not about a single night. It's about what happens consistently over weeks and months. The next food is something that surprises many people: walnuts. Walnuts are unique because they contain healthy fats that the brain uses to support the structure of its cells. The brain is actually made up of a significant amount of fat, and certain fats help maintain the flexibility and communication ability of neurons. But there's another reason walnuts are important. They contain compounds that support what is often called neural resilience. This means helping brain cells respond better to stress and aging. And this becomes especially important at night, when the brain is reorganizing memories and repairing itself. Most people miss this connection between evening nutrition and nighttime brain function. If the brain has access to supportive nutrients, the overnight repair process can work more efficiently. Now, let's talk about something even more important: inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body doesn't just affect joints or the heart. It can also influence the brain. When inflammation remains elevated for long periods, it can interfere with how neurons communicate and how memories are formed. This is where the next food plays an important role. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, and similar greens contain nutrients that support brain circulation and cellular protection. These foods help provide vitamins that are involved in maintaining the health of brain tissue itself. But what most people don't realize is how circulation plays a role in memory. The brain depends on consistent blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients. When circulation improves, the brain has better access to the resources it needs during sleep, especially during deep sleep phases when memory consolidation occurs. You may not feel circulation improving immediately, but over time, the brain benefits from these consistent signals of support. Now here's something that many people overlook entirely. Sleep itself depends on certain nutrients that help the brain transition into deeper restorative states. Without those nutrients, sleep can become lighter and less effective at repairing the brain. This brings us to the fourth food: pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium and zinc, two minerals that play a role in brain signaling and relaxation. Magnesium in particular helps the nervous system transition into a calmer state before sleep. Why does this matter for memory? Because deep sleep is when the brain clears waste products and strengthens neural pathways. Without deep sleep, the brain simply cannot perform that maintenance as effectively. Most people focus on how long they sleep, but the real question is how restorative that sleep truly is. And nutrition can influence that. Now let me share something that many neurologists and brain health specialists quietly emphasize. The brain thrives on diversity in nutrients. Not one food, not one vitamin, but patterns of support that work together over time. Which brings us to the fifth food, and this one is extremely important for long-term brain resilience. Fatty fish, fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, contain omega-3 fatty acids that play a role in maintaining the structure of brain cells. These fats help neurons communicate more efficiently and support the brain's long-term stability, but there's something even more interesting happening here. Omega-3s are involved in regulating inflammation and supporting the protective environment around neurons. When the brain is supported in this way, its nighttime repair process becomes more effective. Many people notice that when their brain receives consistent nutritional support, they feel more mentally clear, more focused, and more confident in their memory over time. Now I want to pause for a moment and ask you something important. Have you ever noticed that some nights you wake up feeling mentally refreshed, while other nights you wake up feeling foggy? That difference often reflects what the brain experienced during sleep. And what you eat during the day, especially later in the day, may influence that process more than you think. Stay with me, because this next insight is something most people never hear. The brain has what scientists sometimes refer to as a cleaning system that becomes active during sleep. This system helps remove metabolic waste that builds up during waking hours. When this system functions well, brain cells are better protected, and communication between neurons becomes more efficient. But poor sleep, stress, and certain dietary habits can interfere with that process. That's why brain-supportive foods are not just about memory. They are about creating the environment where the brain can maintain itself night after night. The good news is this: the brain remains adaptable throughout life. Even later in life, the brain continues forming new connections. It continues protecting itself. It continues adjusting to the signals we send through daily habits. Many people believe it's too late to support memory, but biology tells a different story. What matters most is consistency. Small changes in nutrition, better sleep patterns, gentle physical movement, and stress management can all send powerful signals to the brain that encourage protection and repair. And over time, these signals add up. You may notice sharper recall, clearer thinking, greater mental energy during the day, not because of a miracle cure, but because the brain is finally receiving the support it has needed all along. So, if memory has been on your mind lately, know this: your brain is not simply aging, it is responding. Responding to sleep quality, responding to nutrition, responding to daily habits that either support or challenge its repair systems. When we understand that, something important changes. Instead of feeling helpless, we begin to see opportunity. Opportunity to support the brain's natural intelligence. Opportunity to protect the cells that store our memories. Opportunity to strengthen the systems that work quietly every night while we rest. And if you found this helpful, you may want to continue with the next video on this channel, where we explore another habit that many people overlook, a simple daily routine that may influence brain health and memory in ways that surprise most viewers.